AI is evolving faster than ever, but what will 2025 bring? If you're not paying attention, you might get left behind. Let's explore the AI breakthroughs that will shape the world, and more importantly, how you can take advantage of them. Stick to the end of the video and take notes, so that you can take action on this information later on. Okay, so on to the video. According to the World Economic Forum, AI will disrupt 85 million jobs by 2025, but it will also create 97 million new ones. The real question is, will you adapt? The demand for AI skills is skyrocketing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are seeing an explosion in AI-related freelance gigs right now, from AI automation consulting to AI-generated content creation. Those who learn how to use AI tools effectively are securing six-figure incomes without traditional degrees that take 4 years to complete and may lead you to thousands of dollars in student debt. From automating repetitive tasks to enhancing decision-making, AI isn't taking jobs, it's transforming them. Those who master AI tools will thrive in this new era. For example, AI-powered automation tools like Zapier, Make, and TaskMagic are enabling employees to automate up to 60% of their daily workflows, making them exponentially more productive and leaving them with more time for that beloved coffee break. AI isn't just for big corporations. Entrepreneurs are already using AI to automate businesses, generate content, and scale operations with minimal effort. For instance, many are building faceless YouTube channels with AI tools like InVideo for video editing, 11 Labs for voiceovers, and ChatGPT for scripting. Some channels are making over $10,000 per month in ad revenue alone. Imagine launching an automated business with AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Runway. With the right approach, AI becomes your business partner, not just a tool, if you know how to use them as such. AI-generated ebooks, courses, and digital products are already making people passive income on platforms like Gumroad and Amazon KDP, among others. Forget simple chatbots, forget seeing AI tools as just chat buddies or a thing to solve that stupid math problem for you or make your groceries list. AI agents will soon handle entire workflows, booking flights, managing investments, and even making strategic decisions on your behalf. Some models are already capable of that. I will make a video on this later on, and how you can set this up to work for you. Some traders are already using AI bots like TradeUI to analyze markets 24/7 and execute trades faster than any human ever could. Considering that's your thing, you should look into it. AutoGPT and similar AI agents are evolving rapidly. Soon, they'll be capable of executing complex multi-step tasks independently, revolutionizing productivity. Companies like Devon, the first AI software engineer, are already pushing AI to autonomously code, debug, and improve applications with minimal human input. AI is reshaping the creator economy. From AI-generated music and art to entire video productions, creators are leveraging technology to push creative boundaries. Musicians are using AI tools like Suno and Boomi to compose entire albums in minutes, while filmmakers are creating short films using AI-generated visuals from Runway and Kyber, and not to mention soon-to-be-released models that have those crazy demos that are hard to distinguish from reality. Virtual influencers like Lil Miquela are already securing brand deals worth millions, proving that AI-generated personalities can compete with real human creators. AI-generated content is becoming so advanced that brands are hiring AI models instead of real influencers, reducing costs while maintaining engagement. But with AI's rapid advancement come major challenges. Deepfakes, misinformation, and data privacy concerns are at the forefront of ethical debates. Some AI-generated deepfakes have already fooled millions, impacting elections and financial markets. Tools like Truepic and Reality Defender are emerging to detect and verify real versus AI-generated content. And demand for these tools will increase with the adoption curve. Governments worldwide are racing to establish AI regulations, but will they keep pace with the speed of innovation? It's pretty hard when there's a new model pretty much every week. The EU's AI Act and the US's executive order on AI safety show that global leaders are trying to control the technology, but regulations might also limit opportunities for small businesses and solo entrepreneurs. A topic I will also expand more on a later video. The point is, AI isn't the future, it's the present. Working on a big tech company on a famous AI LLM has shown me the only question is, how will you use it? Whether you're automating tasks, starting an AI-powered business, now is the time to act. Stay ahead of the curve, subscribe now, because AI isn't waiting for anyone. And this is just the beginning.